Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to look at Crdroid. Now another twist yet again is Crdroid this time is based on Android 9 Pie, and the device in question of course is the Zenfone Pro M1. And to all the Rolex users and the OnePlus 6 users, the next few weeks in the month of October will be very exciting for you guys because there's a lot of content coming for you guys. Maybe we might even have 2 videos a day. I don't really know. But before we begin for today's video, if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that notification bell icon because we do awesome stuff with smartphones. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Crdroid390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we are going to look at Crdroid for the Zenfone Pro M1. Now this is no ordinary Crdroid that we are looking at. We are looking at Crdroid which is based on Android Pie, and what you see right now is my previous ROM that is installed, that is Nitrogen OS. So first things first, as usual, the usual drill in installs and previews in smartphone tutorials. You need to make sure you have at least 50% battery, all your data is backed up, and copy the ROM and GApps to your phone's external memory because we will be wiping internal storage including all the other partitions. So everything except your external SD card will be wiped. So once you've taken care of all these things, let's quickly go ahead and install it, and let's see if there is anything special or if there is any major bug in this particular ROM, because installs and previews are usually 7 or 8 minute videos, so they are not really long. So first things first, let's press the power button. Go to advanced reboot and it will take us to recovery, and as you know we need to use TWRP 3.2.3 or Dragon TWRP, which is based on Android 3.2.3 for any Android Pie based ROMs for the Zenfone Pro M1. Alright, so as you can see over here, TWRP has booted up. So first things first, let's go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, cache, system, vendor, data and internal storage all need to be wiped, so swipe to wipe. Now go to install, up a level, external SD, locate Crdroid. So this is dated 29th or 28th of September, that's the build date, and swipe to confirm, flash. Now the install process will take anywhere 2 to 5 minutes, so please be patient while that happens. Now after this, of course, we will be installing Google Apps so that we can have Google Play Store and Google Play services. Alright, so as you can see now the ROM has been flashed, so let's go back to the home screen of TWRP, install, locate your GApps and swipe to install. Now once again it will take 2 to 5 minutes for Google Apps to install, so please be patient, and once that is done, as always, we will go ahead and reboot into system. We will look at the boot animation. Now for this one, I have tried it earlier, so it has a very basic Google boot animation with just Google logo and nothing fancy going on there. So that for me is like a 2 or 3 out of 10, because the whole idea with custom ROMs is when you boot up, you need to have a beautiful boot animation so that you know something special is going to start. Nonetheless, let's wait for the ROM to boot up. We will skip the boot animation part and directly get into the ROM and see if everything is working fine and does it have any tricks up its sleeve. Alright, so GApps have been flashed. Let's reboot system, do not install, wait for the boot to complete. Now it will take between 5 to 10 minutes, so please be patient. Alright, so as you can see, we are now on the home screen of Crdroid, and this is basically the launcher that we have, and we have the Google Pixel navbar, or the gesture bar over here, which is a good thing. I really like that against the other soft key implementations that a few ROMs have. Now apart from this, you have not the Gcam but the usual Google camera app, which is available in all the custom ROMs, which I think is a good enough thing because it allows you to at least take pictures. It doesn't have the highest quality of camera control and stuff, but that's fine. It at least allows you to take good pictures and stuff. Apart from that, you have a music app, you have all the usual Crdroid apps that we have here, and yeah, Play Store is there of course because we installed Google Apps. Now going in, what we see over here, does the brightness, okay, let me just reduce the brightness there for you guys. That looks much better. Alright, so what do we have? What type of customization? We have Crdroid settings. Now before we get into the customization part, we did check the camera and it's working fine. Another important thing to check is voice over LTE, without which a lot of us will not be able to use this ROM. There you go. So The developer for this ROM has said that it will be fixed in the next update, so I'm really hopeful, but till the time voice over LTE is fixed for me, I cannot use it as my daily driver, so I will not be reviewing this particular ROM till this at least is fixed. Nonetheless, not to give discredit to this ROM, let's go to Crdroid settings, and it says open goodness. You have a very well organized customization menu, not as good as .os. So you can reset settings here, quick settings, a lock screen, navigation, buttons, advanced restart and stuff, wake device, reorient, volume buttons, user interface can be customized. Ambient display is there, always on. Does it work? Let me just go ahead and check. Yeah, it does work. So ambient notifications and stuff, I'm not really sure, but that's a good thing that ambient display is there. Notifications is there, sound, miscellaneous, and about Crdroid. So that's the customization menu that you have. It looks very well organized and stuff, and the ROM looks very snappy from the first look, and it's a very basic and default launcher, and it does have the smoothness of a stock Android Pie. It does have the music player built in, so all the basic things it does have you covered. And of course you can go ahead and install Gcam for some better camera quality as well. But from the first looks, apart from voice over LTE, I don't see any major issues that should stop you from using it as a daily driver. And of course that is also there, that I'll be using this as my daily driver once voice over LTE is fixed, and I should be able to post a full review about this particular ROM. But till the time that happens, and we will see when that happens, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Until the next one, keep smiling, take care, bye bye.